Class apes. Aves means birds. Aves means birds. So they have what characteristics? They have feathers. That is the basic characteristic of birds. And most can fly. But there are some flightless birds such as ostrich. Ostrich is the flightless bird here. And they possess beak, 4 limbs. What happens to the 4 limbs? They are modified into wings. 4 limbs modified into wings. Hind limbs or hind limbs, they mainly have scales. Hind limbs mainly have scales, and these are modified for walking, swimming and clasping. Swimming and clasping. The tree branches. Clasping what? The tree branches. Skin dry. No glands. Glands are not present except the oil gland. Except the oil gland. Except the oil gland that is present at the base of the tail. It is present at the base of the tail. Endoskeleton fully ossified. That means they are bony, and the long bones are hollow with air cavities. And they are known as pneumatic. What are those known as? Pneumatic. So what are the special characteristics? They have feathers, most can fly, but there are some flightless birds also. They are such as ostrich. They possess beak, and the 4 limbs are modified into wings and hind limbs into scales. And the scales, hind limbs are modified, generally have scales. Hind limbs generally have scales, and these scales are modified for walking, swimming and clasping the tree branches. The skin is dry. There is no glands except oil gland is present, that is present in the base of the tail. Endoskeleton fully ossified, that means they are bony, and long bones are hollow with air cavities. Known as pneumatic. So the endoskeleton is fully ossified, and the long bones are hollow with air cavities, known as pneumatic. The digestive tract of birds have additional chambers. What are those additional chambers? The crop and the gizzard. Birds have additional chambers. Digestive tract of birds have additional chambers known as the crop and the gizzard. Heart completely four chambered, and these are warm blooded animals. Apes are warm blooded, not cold blooded, and hence they are known as homoeothermous animals. What are they known as? Homeothermous animals. Homeothermous animals, that means such kind of animals who are able to maintain their body temperature. They are warm-blooded animals and are known as homeothermous animals, and they are able to maintain their body temperature, constant body temperature. Respiration by lungs. Respiration takes by lungs. Air sacs, these are connected to lungs, and these supplement. What do they supplement? They supplement respiration. Sexes are separate, that means they are dioecious. Fertilization, internal. Viviparous or oviparous? They are oviparous, egg-laying animals. Fertilization direct or indirect? Development direct or indirect? It's direct. Larval form not involved. Let's make a figure. First on a branch. Oh, this is the figure of a parrot. So what are the examples? Corvus crow, Columba pigeon, Pavo peacock, Neophron vulture, Neophron vulture. So digestive tract of birds, they have additional chambers, the crop and the gizzard, and they are homeothermous animals, that means they are able to maintain their body temperature constantly. Respiration by lungs. Air sacs in the lungs supplement respiration. Sexes separate. Fertilization internal, oviparous, and the development is direct, without involvement of what? Larval stage. Parrot, that's Columba. We have examples: pigeon, Pava peacock, and Neophron vulture, Corvus crow. Heart four-chambered, and they are warm-blooded animals. So let's move to the next one, Mammalia. Here mama means breast. So the class Mammalia. Found everywhere. It is found everywhere. On grasslands, mountains, deserts, polar ice caps, etc. Some of them are adapted to fly or live in water. Most unique characteristics of mammalian feature are the presence of mammary glands. These are milk producing glands. By which the young ones are nourished. They have two pair of limbs. they have two pair of limbs, and they are adapted for, these limbs are adapted for walking, running, climbing, flying, etc. Skin possesses hair, skin possesses hair, and external ears, also known as pinnae or pinnae, whatever it is present. Different types of teeth, it's present in the jaw, it's present in the heart, is four chambered. Heart is four chambered, and they are homoioid, HOMOIO, it's homeothermos. That means they have the capacity to regulate their body temperature. Respiration takes place by lungs. Respiration by lungs. Sexes separate, that means they are dioecious. Fertilization internal. Fertilization is internal, and they are viviparous, but some exceptions are there. And development is direct. Let's make a figure first. So that's the figure of Balaenoptera, known as blue whale. Balaenoptera, it's B here. Balaenoptera, it's known as blue whale. And the example of us are Macropus, kangaroo, Canis dog, Felis cat, Panthera tigris tiger, and Panthera leo lion. We all know that. Okay. So class Mammalia. Mammo means breast. Found everywhere, adapted to fly or live in water. Presence of mammary glands. That's the characteristic of mammalian animals. And these are milk producing glands, and the young ones are nourished through yeast. The skin has got hair. An external ear in the form of pinnae present. So we have different types of teeth, and these teeth are present in the jaw. So these are the examples. So we have finished the kingdom Animalia, and we will move to the next chapter in the next video. Till then, keep enjoying and studying biology, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done so, and share and like my videos also.